Welcome, Ben.
Thank you very much. What are we doing?
We're going to talk about watches today. Well, we're actually going to talk about this watch, and this is the brand new titanium Omega Seamaster 300 Diver. Now, this watch has never been near and dear to my heart. I've always found the shape of it to be a bit oddball. However, the Bond release of this was super cool.
Yeah.
And this release, I dare to say, in titanium is even better than the Bond one.
I'd say so.
I'm hooked.
It's got a lot of the qualities of the Bond one, because obviously they did that for No Time to Die, right? So it was a nice sort of closing of that Daniel Craig chapter. They've introduced bronze elements to this. I mean, I know that wasn't necessarily in the No Time to Die, but it's got notes of it here.
But it's kind of leaning into that brown, those brown hues, which I really like in watches these days. And this, I think, with the green and the bronze, and then doing it in titanium. I actually didn't know this was titanium until I picked it up, and I realised just how light it was. And it does weigh.
It's 109 grams.
It weighs absolutely nothing. Yeah. And it is a really good size. What's it? 42 mil? 42 mil. Bracelet's super easy. So it's got a titanium mesh bracelet. It's got an open case back with the
sticker still on.
Yeah, I know. This is actually from the shop, so thank you, Omega. But overall, I think this is actually one of their better releases. This is if we're going to be judging Omega on their releases this year, I would say this and the white Speedmaster were my two favourite.
The coaxial.
Yep.
Yeah. No, I have to agree with you on that one. Obviously, Seamasters have that connection to Bond since the first World Is Not Enough, so it's pretty cool to see this one taking a little bit of separate quality to that.
And Prince William has had a Seamaster, which his mother gave him.
Okay.
And it's one of these divers.
Sentimental value then.
Yeah, it's the only one he wears, so it's the people's Omega.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't not like his dad who wears Parmigiani. Yeah, FPG and Parmigiani. He's up hanging out with Zuck.
Yeah.
Buying Independence. Yeah, exactly. All right. So overall, lovely watch, good size. What do we think? It's who's going to be picking this up? What's the price of it? Most importantly,
17,000 with the mesh titanium, and then 16,475 with the green rubber strap. So
it's up there.
It's up there.
But you're paying more for titanium, and in the same weight class, there's a few other watches that are titanium. Obviously, the IWC Ingenue is going to cost a lot more. I think that's like 22,000 for the titanium version.
Yep.
And then you've got this Rolex Yachtmaster, which is in titanium, and dare I say it's probably more again. I think 24 from memory. Could be wrong about that. But that's certainly getting up there. So yeah, favourite features? What are you thinking?
Obviously, you can't look beyond the titanium. Grade 2 in that kind of mesh style is actually just so nice with that. Goes with the Seamaster pretty well. Obviously, the green dial is pretty seasonal release. It works well with that kind of bronze quality coming through.
Absolutely. And if that bronze ages, it'll look even better. Patina, they call it apparently. So yeah, but if this ages and you wear it a lot, I think it'll just get better looking. Weirdly, from what we hear from the retailers, is the green watches don't sell as well as we would hope.
Interesting.
And Omega, a couple of years ago, had the Speedy that was in solid yellow gold with a green face. Arguably one of my favourite Speedmaster ever. And yeah, you see a lot of them on the aftermarket, which is a shame because it's a really hot watch. But this, I think, you've seen all the watch bloggers jump on this. That's why we jumped on it. We asked Omega, we said, hey, can we have one of these to play in the office? They were kind enough to send it in. So there it is, the Seamaster 300 Diver in titanium, in green and bronze. It's 17,000?
17,800, something like that.
Yep. And it's almost as good as the No Time to Die. Was it? No, it was a Skyfall watch, wasn't it?
Because No Time to Die was 2019. They've done probably quite a few for the James Bond release.
Hello, No Time to Die was the last one.
Yeah, which was 2019.
No, when he dies. It was post-COVID. 22.
22?
22 was No Time to Die. I think we're thinking of the Skyfall one or the Spectre one. I think it's the Spectre one we're thinking of. That is the brown one.
Okay.
There you go. No Time to Die. There you go. See, Kate helped us there.
Yeah, fact check in real
exactly.
time.
Fact check in real time.
I like being fact checked in real time.
This is the new What You Talking About series. made just for YouTube, on Damage. Make sure you subscribe because the videos will get better and we will get better looking and the watches will get better, so get around it.